Greetings from your queen of Ooga Booga, that is. Hi everybody, Sally Diane here, and this is an unboxing video. Your queen got a call from her sister in Georgia that she was sending 3 gifts for the queen's birthday month. I've already received the first one. The first one was for the queen herself, and that was a beautiful crown that I wear every Sunday night now. And there is also a gift coming for the royal dog Felix, and one for Sally Diane. So I've received the second package, and we'll see whether it's for Felix or Sally Diane. And here's the package. And so without further delay, let's open it up and see what's in it. Okay, and it says tear perforation to open. Oh, okay. So, right there's, I'll help it along a little bit. Then we'll tear the perforation. There you go. And it's for Felix. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It is, oh dear. That is just the cutest little thing. These are little like prey toys for dogs, little play toys. Felix. Oh, there we go. Felix, look. Look at here. Look at here. There you go. There you go. Anyhow, we've got 3 squeaky toys. Okay, so it's squeaky toys. It's squeaky toys for Felix. And as you can see, he's quite excited and would love to play with them. So thank you very much. And remember, tune in Sunday nights at 9 o'clock for Psychic Sundays Live with Sally Diane and her producer. Every Sunday night at 9 o'clock. Have a great week. Thank you very much.